Hi, my name is Aigul, and I was in the batch 9, and we were the first batch which studied daytime, and we had a great teachers, Ozzy and Jamal. I used to work as a secondary teacher in kindergarten. Actually, everything was hard, like studying, getting into a new, different world, which I never knew it before. And I do remember one time when everyone was, we used to be in the class and we were studying, and then everyone is like coding, right? Everyone is doing their work. And I was like, I went to the bathroom and like, don't cry, don't cry, you're gonna get it. It was very hard for me. And then when I came back to the class, there was another um, very good friend of mine. He said, what happened? And I like, bah! I started crying. And I sit there like almost a whole day, like there was these feelings, because it was very hard and tough for me to get technical part of the curriculum. Teachers were always there to help me, and my group members are awesome. They were very supportive. They were helping me. We used to help each other a lot. Even during the lunchtime, we used to put questions on the jar and pick them up and then try to answer them. Biggest motivation is, first is my family and my supporting husband. He was there all the time. Kuzat used to tell us that when you get money, when you get good salary, you're gonna have some time to solve bigger problems. So in every way that it could be there, when you get the job, you get the good salary and you can spend more time with kids, taking your kids to different courses. And yeah, I think it's a very good motivation where you can pay for some stuff that you were not able to before. Lots of my friends, they started at CYDEO and they got their offers and they were doing so good at it. And one of my friend who actually works here, she's an amazing girl, and she told me that I can study here and try to get a job. And we talked with her a few times. And another one of my friend who was working with me and in the kindergarten, she told me also, okay, let's go study and let's see what's happened. I do have bachelor degrees in international relations with Persian language. I know lots of people without any degree and without any IT background, they got the offers, and actually very good offers. At work, you do not always code. Most of the companies, they have already framework which already settled up. You just have to put some time on it when you join to the company and learn, or maybe expedite the knowledge which you got from CYDEO, and yeah, practice. I think at the beginning, program is intense. So I think you always have to be on your toes, like, pay attention to the classes, announcements, and do all the homework that instructors are giving. Regarding the how much time do you have to spend for the coding, and I think it depends on everyone. Any advice for future or any student who are studying, I would say keep going. I heard this word in Instagram. It was the fastest way to success. It's the slowest way. So even if you are moving slow, you'll be there. Just keep going. Do not get frustrated. Do not get nervous. Try concentrate. Try being more responsible on the task that you have. It will help in working environment as well. Small secret, I don't have that ability, so I want to tell, be super responsible, being super self-driven, self-disciplined. I don't have that ability on me, so I need to be pushed by someone. So it's very good habit that you can develop in here, and it will help you in all different aspects of your life. Very good thing that I wanted to tell about it, it's now I can tell for sure that I know around 100 people who are working in amazing companies in the US. So with my batch, we finished, we stayed together, we do have group chat. Even though if it's not often, we do still speak to each other. CYDEO is like my family, everyone that I know here, and everyone that I am friend with in States, they're mostly from CYDEO. So it's just my maiden second family.